There's your present from Grandma Linda and Grandpa Mark.
Look at that.
What's that?
I should go make sure this is still on her.
Can you open that?
You want to open your present?
You want to open your present?
I don't know if it can withstand your weight, Sophie.
Sophie, look. Look.
Sophie likes to climb. Anything she can climb on.
Sophie, open your present from Grandma and Grandpa. Hey, Sophia. Sophia, look. Sophia, what's in there? You found it?
What is that?
Something in there. Oh,
pretty.
Pretty
Oh,
doll.
she's so pretty.
Is she strapped in there?
Is she in there?
Oh. Wow. Isn't that neat?
Pretty.
Isn't that neat?
Is that your baby?
Is that your dolly?
Is that your baby?
Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
love her? Do you love her? Look, Sophie. Sophia, look.